Hello, everyone. It's Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. The ombre collection is so amazing, and I picked three really kind of different beads, different sizes, different textures, different colors, and somehow they all work together. I've also got this cool drop of gold toggle, and I'm throwing in some 11O seed beads to add some continuity to the piece. I've got 19 strand beading wire, and I'm going to make a simple necklace that can be layered or just worn by itself. I love the colors, the textures, the difference in the beads. I don't know, they just all come together really cool. So I cut about 20 inches of wire and I put a bead stopper on one end, and I'm going to start with the focal section. And originally I put on 4 beads in the center. I did add another. You'll see that as we go. In the beginning there, I've got 2 seed beads in between those red beads, which are so super cool. That strand is called Fire and Ice. It's pretty awesome. And once I get to the end of that focal section, I'm going to add 3 seed beads and then one of the little latte sparkly coins. And it's faceted, it's beautiful. Then 3 more seed beads, and then a stack of those very cool earth ombre mother of pearl spacers. And I just kind of did about, I don't know, about 1.25 inches of those. And you can plot them out pattern wise, or you can just put them on randomly, which is what I did. Then 3 more seed beads and another one of those latte coins. Then I picked another color from that Fire and Ice strand, which is just so cool. And that one, I don't know, has pinks and yellows, and it's just a really interesting, unique bead, has a very rainbow effect to it. And I'm putting 2 seed beads in between each of those beads. And then when I get to the end of the 4 beads that I'm putting on, I'm going to put on 3 seed beads and another one of those faceted latte coins. And I can work from one side up to a point, and then I want to kind of catch up the other side. So if I am starting at the focal of the necklace, I want to catch up the other side. So that's what I'm doing. I added on 1 more of those red beads, then the 3 seed beads, a latte coin, another 3 seed beads, and then a block of those mother of pearl in earth. And I just match them up to make sure that I have the same amount of beads. They're not all cut exactly the same, so you may want to make some adjustments when you put those on. Then 3 seed beads, another coin from the latte strand, another 3 seed beads, and then 4 of those Fire and Ice beads. Now there is another color of those Fire and Ice beads. There's a 3rd color on the strand, but I did not add those. You could easily add those and make this necklace a little bit longer. So yeah, I love how this looks. Wow, I really think this is a cool combination of beads. So now 3 more seed beads, another latte coin, 3 seed beads, and then another chunk of those mother of pearl beads. And they just look kind of like, I don't know, they have like a 70s vibe. Super cool. And I did make sure that I matched them up with the other side of the necklace, getting it to be an equal length of those mother of pearl beads. So they can be sort of easy, but sort of hard to string on. You might want to do them in chunks, but sometimes they don't work out that way. So you can put on those mother of pearl, then another coin, and with the seed beads, 3 seed beads on either side of it. And then I'm on the other side now, catching up that side. And I kind of like going back and forth and making sure everything matches up. And I think I want to add 1 more of those Fire and Ice red beads because they are so awesome. So I just want that last little bit pop of color at the back. And then I think I'll add 1 more coin after it's paired with some seed beads. And then I think that's going to be my necklace. But you could certainly adjust based on the amount of beads you've got and add an additional length of beads. Oh, I just think this looks so cool. It just works. Last thing I'm going to do is attach my drop of gold toggle. I've got a couple of size 2 crimp tubes, and I'm going to need those seed beads again. So what I did on the side with the toggle loop, which does not have an actual loop on it, you just loop through the actual piece itself. I strung on 15 seed beads after my crimp tube, and then I pulled my beading wire all the way around and down through the crimp tube and down through that first set of 3 seed beads and coin bead. Then I crimp very carefully because you're crimping between 2 sets of seed beads. You don't want to crack them. So just very cautiously take your time, do that. Then closing off the other end, I'm making sure all the slack is out of the necklace, and then I'm going to keep the necklace kind of curved around. I've got 6 seed beads on either side of my toggle bar. I'm going back down the crimp, down the 3 seed beads, down that coin bead. Then I'm pulling my wire tight and then coming in with my crimping pliers, again, being very careful and crimping that close, cutting off my excess. I love this piece, so much fun. The ombre collection from Jessie James Beads is so great. Check it out at www.jessiejamesbeads.com. Thank you so much for watching.